have another unboxing video. This is for the Focus Mark 4 hatchback light bar LED rear lights. This version has a matte black background with a crystal clear lens. So let's get these opened, let's have a quick look, and we'll also illuminate them. This kit comprises of 4 rear lights, your boot mounted and also the rear quarter mounted. What we've got on here is a indicator what runs dynamic from the inner right through to the outer. This kit includes additional wiring and also resistors to link both inner and outer rear lights together. And also there's some resistors just to ensure we don't have any bulb warning lights come on. We do this in a different colour as well. We also do this in a smoke version. These are fully road legal. They are also E-marked and MOT compliant. Please see the link below and it will direct you straight to these on our website. So let's get them fully unwrapped and we'll have another closer look. So this kit comes with 2 wiring looms. This is to run around the boot. There is some brief instructions here on how to do this, but it is quite self-explanatory. You just run the wire around your boot trim and inside your boot lid to the inner. These simply just plug directly into the lights. So do the resistors. So this is the inner boot light. As you can see, I've plugged the wiring in. This just plugs directly into the lights and into the loom that way. The main plug plugs into the original loom on the vehicle. This loom is then run right around the outer of the boot lid, down to the rear quarter, and again plugs straight into the loom like that. You can't get this wrong, everything's color coded. So what we've got is, I'll just hold that one there. So you've got green, red and black, and green, red and black on that side. So these wires are now linked together. Again, you've got another plug here which plugs directly into the loom on the vehicle. So let's have a close look and let's get these illuminated. So here we have the reverse light, which is a really bright white LED, and also the fog light, which is obviously a red bright LED. This is just wired up on a 12-volt feed just to illustrate what these will look like. These are for right-hand drive only, so the driver's side is the fog light, the passenger or the left-hand side is the reverse light.